thought I'd show you my outfit of the day. Vlogmas day 18. I showed you my outfit of the day because pajama day at work. So exciting. But I thought before I leave, I have a few more minutes before I actually have to leave the house. I'm gonna turn the light on. I thought I'd do advent calendar. Oh, right, there we go. Okay, so let's see. Day 18. Oh, I'm sore from yesterday's workout. Okay. All right, 18. Where are you? Right here in the corner. There we go. Eyeliner. Okay. Ooh, crooked. Go just straight. Okay, so this is the Julep eyeliner. So this is down for 10 hours. And it looks like it's black. Yeah, I don't really use black eyeliner unless it's like liquid. But yeah, still very cool. That's probably my mom. Oh yeah, it is. Gotta go. Hey, so it was another one of those really long days, but I did get my nails done. They're so pretty, you guys. I love them. They're dip, and she did a fabulous job. So I did that right after work, and then came home, and then I had to go get a gift card, my last gift card for one of my coworkers. And that was a nightmare because there was like no parking and like around and around with one-way streets. And then they told me, oh, we don't sell gift cards here. You have to go online. So annoying, so annoying. Went to my mom's house to pick up another piece of luggage because she gave me she thought I wanted the small black one, but I wanted the big black one. So I had to go get that because I knew I could fit it all into this like carry-on, but I had to take a blanket and stuff. So then I knew I had to get gas. And then tomorrow, right after work, I'm gonna get my car washed. So I just need a clean car. It's so dirty. And I empty the contents of my car, and this is the current state. So yeah, all this stuff was in my car. Some of it was like some gifts I got today. And this is what I keep in my car. This is the new piece of luggage. I have my laundry I need to put away. Odds and ends. So I need to take care of this and get packing because tomorrow we're leaving for Disneyland. So excited. So we're not leaving till later in the evening. So once I get off, I'll have time to still like pack and stuff like that. Any kind of like other things that I want to pack. And yeah, so what I'm going to do right now, because it's already 7:30 and I'm starving. So I'm going to eat dinner and then yeah. Okay, so I'm back. I had, oh my gosh, I just love my nails. So fun. Dinner, I kind of just cleaned up while my dinner was prepping. I just had some soup. I wrapped some gifts. Just a quick little show of that. Those are for a coworker, so I don't want to get too close, but I thought I'd choose some stuff I got in the mail. First of all, Ulla Hendrickson was having like a really good sale. So I got the Pore Balance Facial Sauna Scrub and the Cold Plunge Pore Mask. Went for under 20 bucks. It was such a good deal. I couldn't pass it up. And I had received a sample of the Cold Plunge Pore Mask and I really, really liked it. I feel like a little dented. It's like gross. There was like something on like the plastic. And then I act like I have like a lot of stuff. I really don't. I also picked up some stuff for Target for Disneyland. I got here just in time. I got this sweater. This shirt. This is like a juniors and I got it in an extra large. Because I want it to be like loose to wear with like leggings and stuff. I like to be really comfortable at Disney. And I did the same with this like sweatshirt because the review said it could be cropped. It was like a junior size, so I got an extra large also. In this cute sweatshirt. So yeah, I don't even know if I'll like them or if they'll go with what I have planned. But whatever. Oh my gosh, and another like story I was just thinking of is, so I'm getting my nails done. I know people get like fancy, and like maybe I thought I could be fancy, but I'm really just like not a fancy nail person. I just like one color, whatever. So she was like trying to be like, do you want something like a candy cane or Santa? Or I'm like, no. And then she's like, we can do one like finger differently. And I was like, okay. And then she was like, look at this gold. I'm like, no. So, you know, I went with my color. And so I'm like sitting there, my mom's with me, and she was like, you know, there's something else that you need. I was thinking like, great, like more like a paraffin wax, or, you know, like a massage. And like, I think she's trying to like, you know, or like maybe like there was like some idea she had about my nails that could kind of like amp them up. What she said? An eyebrow wax. Seriously, I loved her though. She was awesome, and I like didn't really take offense. And like, let's see, yeah, I need an eyebrow wax, and you're right, which is why I have an appointment tomorrow. So that was like the funny part. I was like, no, I don't. And they do like that there. I was like, no, but I mean, she obviously noticed like I have like growth, and I'm one of those people who like does not wax. I mean, does not touch my eyebrows in between like waxings. There's like, if I'm going somewhere and it's like super noticeable, I'll like pluck the ones that are like down here or out here, but otherwise like I don't mess with it. I was like on a different setting. Okay, so the thing. And then I got my Sephora plain Ipsy. So I thought I'd just kind of share those on here on the vlog. So first up, Sephora, I just like took it out of its box. I love these. I just love these bags. They're so stinking cute. And so, let's see. This is the Bumble Bumble Dry Spun Texture Spray. Such a good brand. I love a texture spray. Like, yes. The Anastasia Beverly Hills. I feel like I get so many of these. In Kristen. I feel like I've had this color before. And I feel like it's not like that great of color for me. Can you see it? I'm like talking about it. Probably haven't even showed it to you. Like, I don't know, that color is just okay. Pretty color, but you know. Ooh, the Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Protecting Fiber Primer. I was gonna say fiber. Oh, I've not tried this, but I've been wanting to. So that's really cool. They're like, any of the Too Faced like samples are always like really small, but you know, it's worth a shot. This is a good one. This is the Fresh Sugar Lip Care and Caramel, the Hydrating Balm. That's a good one. Let's smell this. I heard this one is really good. Oh, I just want to eat it up. It's so good. It smells delicious. And I just like, I love that size too. It's like enough for you to really like try the product out. Oh my gosh. I just like jumped. I hope I caught that. It's my mom. Hi.
What are you doing?
Filming. Okay, so I always laugh because my mom always like FaceTimes me when, ouch, I am on the phone. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is there another item? Oh yeah, they fell. I was like, there's gotta be more items in here. There's only 4. Do you usually get 4? And then a bonus? 5 and a bonus? I don't know. 5. 5, yeah. There we go. 5 and a bonus, you guys. Okay, so next up is the Kruz Gel Liner. Oh, this must be the bonus. Because, yeah, this is the bonus item. Typically, it's like a shampoo or conditioner or a perfume, but this must be it because I think this is the only thing that would be it. And this is shade 2 Nothing But Nude, so that's a pretty color. Ooh, I feel like I love nude liners. I just think that you can't really go wrong with them, so that's really pretty. I didn't even like show you guys, and I like that it's like I don't know what you call this. It's not like a wood pencil, and it feels really creamy. Camera has not been focusing very well lately. Anyway, okay, and then the last thing is a Lights Camera Lashes mascara. I feel like I get so many of these. Not that I'm like not happy about it, but this is like a super common in most subscription boxes thing that you get. So there we go. Okay, Sephora, always good. I'm really excited about the Bumble and Bumble texturizing spray and the Fresh Sugar lip conditioner in the caramel. So I think there was some really good stuff. So Ipsy, here we are. I did those add-ons. I talked to you about those add-ons last month where you can like add on products that other people got for like, I think it's $3.50. I'm never gonna remember the price. So I did add on a few things. So I just kind of think that's a fun option because with Ipsy, it's just like sometimes it feels like so random. And I always think that other people get other stuff. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I would have loved that. And so I don't mind adding things on. So I picked up the Way Scalp and Body Scrub. It's like a good size. And I just really like scalp scrubs. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my gosh. So good. And it's interesting that it's like scalp and body. I just tend to get really like a dry scalp. And the next up is, who is this by? I forget who it's by. Let me see what it looks like. It might be that SL Miss Glam, but I thought it was so pretty, you guys. Let me see if I can. Yeah, SL Miss Glam. It's a L36, and I think it's like the tapered. I think it's a highlighting brush, but I just thought it was so pretty, and how could I not get this? I got a Kruz press that was very similar, and I just love it. Oh, it's so good. Oh, I love it. Okay, and you can really use it for anything. I think it's supposed to be a highlighter, but you can do it for patting powder on, so it can really be used for anything. But I could definitely see it being for like a nice little highlighter. Okay, let's get into the bag. I just like dropping everything. Well, everything's like falling out. Okay, so the bag is so cute this month. You're seeing all the goods. Just look how cute that is. I love it. It's so fun. I don't know, it's probably one of my like most favorite bags that I've gotten. Okay, so we got a little card. Be merry, be bright, be bold, be you. It says, check inside for a holiday gift to you, a bonus 6th glam bag product. They're 6? That's exciting. So first up, this is a good mascara. Again, I've gotten quite a few of these, but it's a good mascara, so I don't mind getting it. It's a It Superhero Mascara. It's so good, you guys. It's a really good one. I like it. So that's one. A brush, and this is by Farah. It's really pretty. It's not like, it looks like it'd be really heavy, but it's really lightweight, and this looks like it'd be a really good like crease brush. It's kind of like, it's so interesting the way that you like, I mean, it almost looks like you could hold it here, but I always hold mine kind of at the end. But oh, I kind of like that. I always love getting brushes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, there's 6 items. That's exciting. That's kind of a fun surprise. Okay, and this is the Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. So Nourish, Brighten, Radiance, and Refine. So that's kind of cool. I purchased one of these last time for an extra $3.50 that I wanted to try. So that's kind of cool. I got a nude eyeshadow from The Balm called Nude Beach. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. It's Bootylicious. Oh, that's so pretty. And I have to say, I don't know, I feel like I've gotten The Balm's like samples before, and typically they're so small, you guys. Like, this is a good size shadow. I don't know like how they normally sell them, but usually it's like a really tiny rectangle. So I don't know if they've redone their like packaging for these sample sizes. They done good. I mean, it feels like more like worth getting it, not like a waste. Okay. Ooh, and 2 lip products. So this one is by The Beauty Crop, and it's a Lip Brulee High Shine Lip Cream. Never heard of this brand. I feel like I'm like talking to you like this. I'm sorry, you guys. I feel like, but it's a really pretty color. It's got a bunch of plastic on it. Kind of a cool package. I'm gonna try it. open this up, but I don't see like a perforation on this. I can't be bothered, you guys, but it's a really pretty color. Yeah, especially for like the holidays. I love getting like holiday colors. And this is the Dr. Lip Tint with sweet potato pigment. Oh, again, you guys, you can't see it. I'm like the worst. A color tint for your lips and glossy bits. What are your glossy bits? I did want to know. Dr. Lips award-winning balm for its long-lasting moisturizing effect with tinted with 100% natural plant pigment. So that's pretty cool. I'm gonna put some of this on because I can open it. I don't think there's that much in here. It's hard to get out. It's like a thick. Ooh, that feels good. That feels real good. Oh yeah. It's not that tinted at all. Okay, so I think overall, I think they were both really good. I don't know. There's good pieces to both, and I don't know that I like this time. I'd be like, if I had to pick one, it'd be a draw because I really do like a lot of the products. I mean, obviously with Sephora Play, I feel like I get more well-known, like higher value products, but I mean, like the brushes are super cool, the lip tint, I don't know, I like the eyeshadow, so I can't open this lipstick, so, but it's like a reddy magenta color. It's just like this real difficult. I can't even, I just can't, it's too late. Okay, so I'm gonna call it a night and I'll see you tomorrow. I'm just gonna vlog like the beginning part of my day and maybe some like packing because I want to maybe upload the vlog before I leave, because after I leave in the evening we're just gonna go straight to the hotel and sleep, and then we're switching hotels for the second part. So I don't know. But anyway, that's my job to figure that out. But I hope you had a wonderful day and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.